Today we are discuss about unit 3 polymorphism. In that polymorphism, what is a overloading and overloading operator, what is the use of unary operator overloading, and what is the use of binary operator overloading. In C++, we can make operator to work for a user-defined class. It is for user-defined classes. This means C++ have ability to provide the operators with a special meaning of data type. This ability is known as a operator overloading. For example, we can overload an operator plus symbol in a class like a string, so that we can concatenate two strings by just a string plus by using this plus. Other example, where the arithmetic operator may be overloaded as a complex number or fractional number, big integer, etc. It is one of the sample and a complete example program with the concatenation of two complex value. Here we have to create a class name will be complex. We have used a real number and imaginary number. In public we are declared real equal to 0 and imaginary equal to 0. Real equal to, we assign R for real, imaginary for I. These automatically called when plus is used between two complex objects. This is one complex object plus complex constant and object, and open brace we have to create complex equal to result dot real equal to real plus object dot real, result dot imaginary equal to imaginary plus object dot imaginary, and a result, this will be stored in returns to result. So here void print, we are declaring this value, and main function we have to declare complex C1 equal to 10, 5 and a complex C2 equal to 2, 4. By using C3, we have to just a concatenation to operate with the help of operator plus C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2 plus this is 12. This C3 dot print means this value will be printed, this value will be added C1 plus C2. So the output is 12. This is output 10 plus 2, 12. It is for a real value. Imaginary value will be 5 plus 4, 9, I9. This is example of operator overloading. And another types of operator overloading in C++. Operator overloading is a special function to change the current functionality of some operator within its class, which is often called as a operator overloading. Operator overloading method by which we can change the function of some specific operator to do some different task. This is one of the syntax. Declaring the function in the syntax: return type class name scope operator. We call OP is argument list operator, object will be OP, argument list, open brace, function body. So here there are three approaches we can use for operator overloading. One for overloading unary operator, second overloading binary operator, and third one is overloading binary operator using a friend function. In that case, non-static function, the binary operator should have only one argument and unary should not have an argument. In that case, the friend function, the binary operator should have only argument and unary should have only one argument. Operator cannot be overloaded as asterisk, indication, scope, questionary, colon. The operator cannot be overloaded. Operator cannot be used to overload when declaring that function as a friend function. Size of operator, bracket. What is the rules of operator overloading? Note, the argument in the operator overloading are passed only by reference. It will be not work if argument are passed by the value. It is only by reference, not by value, because a copy of object is passed to the operator OP function. Okay, first one is we have discussed about overloading unary operator. Let us consider two overloaded. This is minus symbol is called unary operator. In unary operator function, no argument should be passed. It works only within a one class object. It is a overloading an operator operating in a single operand. Example, assume that class distance takes two member objects, one for feet and another for inch. Create a function by which a distant object should decrement the value to feet. By using an operator overloading unary operand, we have to be example decrement the value of feet and inches by 1, having the single operand of distant type. This is one of the C++ program by using a unary operator overloading. Here we have to be declare a class name with the distance, and member object we have to be create for int feet and int inches. Here we have to be construct the initialize the object value. Fit, this function will be used for feet equal to f and inches equal to I. Overloading operator, we have to create void overloading fit. This is for decremental operator. Minus minus is one of the arithmetic decrementation operator. Cout. So cout means the main function we have to be called declare and initialize the constructor distant d1 equal to 8, 9. They use the unary operator by single operand minus d1. d1 means the object value will be 8 minus 1 7, 9 minus 1 8. This is a output of this given function. In the above program, it shows that no argument is passed and no return type value returned, because the unary operator works on a single operator unary operator. Operator change the functionality, it is a member function. Note here d2 equal to minus d1 will not work because operator unary does not return any value. Second, we have to discuss about what is the use of operator overloading binary operator. Here binary operator. In binary operator overloading function, there should be a one argument to be passed. It is overloading of operator operating on two operators. One operator, two operands. It take a simple example, same example, class distance, but this time add two distant object. Here we are create a class name will be same, member function will be same. Here distance also same, but we have to be initialize the value constructor. Initialize here we have to pass the parameterized constructor. This parameterized constructor means overloading plus operator to perform addition of two distance. Here we have to be perform distant operator plus distant address of d2 call by reference, and create an object to return distant equal to this two value will be returned to d3. Perform the addition of feet and inches. d3 dot is we have to create the distance d3 object with the feet equal to this pointer equal to feet plus d2 feet. It should be same d3 inches. The return value will be here the distance value will be 8, 9, and here 10, 2. The declaration of the distance will be d3 equal to d1 plus d2. It is a overloading operator. Display the result. This result will be 10, 2, 8 plus 10, 18, 9 plus 2, 11. So total feet and inches will be 18 colon 11. Here in the above program, let's see the lines 26 distant operator. This return the type of function is distant, and it is used to call by reference to pass a argument. See line 49, d3 equal to d1 plus 2. Here d1 calls the operator function of its class object and takes d2 as a parameter, by which operator function return of the object and its result will be reflected in the object 3. This is a practical way of binary operator overloading. Here the line of coding distance operator plus distant address of d2. So d3 distance of d3 that fit means this fit equal to this inches equal to d3 fit. So it should be first this is d3. d3 means this output 18. 18 is comes plus d1 plus d2, 8 plus 10, 18, 9 plus 2, 2. So this will be work here. This function will be called to this function because distant operator equal to distant address of d2. and this operator will be calling this function. This is a example of this given function. And another one is operator binary overloading using a friend function. In this approach, the operator overloading function must proceed with a friend keyword, and this function takes the two parameter in a binary operator, various one parameter in a unary operator. All should be implementation using a binary operator function, except this function. Here we have to be declare the same class name, distance, and same member function into feet equal to inches, but there is no parameter constructor. Here we have to be declare feet equal to 0, inches equal to 0, but here initialize the object value, distance, and parameter is constructor. Here we have to be using a friend distance operator plus distance address of distance address, implementing a friend function by using this call by reference. This friend function will be here. This friend function we have to be declaring the initializing first object, initializing second object, initializing a third object. The total result also, total fit of this by using a unary operator also. There is a different method. Here using a friend function. They are using a binary operator. Thank you.